Alibaba has just reported its June quarter results, which is fiscal Q1 2027, and the market is getting a very mixed message. Revenue came in at roughly 269 billion yuan, up about 9%, and slightly ahead of expectations. The strongest part of the report was Alibaba's AI and cloud business, where AI-related cloud and computing revenue surged about 45%. But there's a catch. Alibaba's adjusted profit came in below expectations, as the company continues spending aggressively on AI infrastructure. Capital expenditures jumped roughly 75%, and that pressure on profitability is one reason Baba is trading lower in pre-market, around $124 to $125, after closing near $129. Now, the chart is where things get interesting. Baba has already made a strong recovery from roughly $95 in July to above $130 in August. That tells us buyers have been in control of the larger move, but the stock has now reached an important decision area. The first level I'm watching is $124 to $125. This area has already acted as support during the recent pullback. If buyers defend $124 and Baba starts pushing back toward $129, that would tell us the earnings selling is being absorbed. Then comes the real pivotal area, $130 to $132. Baba has struggled around this zone several times. A decisive move above $132, especially with expanding volume, would be important confirmation that buyers are taking control again. If that happens, the next areas I'd watch are roughly $136, and then the larger $140 to $144 zone. But the downside matters just as much. If Baba loses $123 to $124 and cannot recover it, the next support is around $119 to $120. Below that, $112 to $116 becomes the more serious support zone. So I wouldn't try to predict the earnings reaction. Watch how the stock behaves around the pivotal levels. Hold $124 and reclaim $130 to $132. Bullish momentum starts strengthening again. Lose $123 with heavy selling. The market may need a deeper correction before buyers return. Alibaba's AI growth is clearly getting investors' attention, but right now, the stock has to prove that investors are willing to look past the higher spending and weaker profit growth. And the battle between $124 support and $132 resistance could tell